classes. It's day 1. Today we have to do the task of day 1. First of all, we have to revise the things you have to do on the daily basis. You should take care of your personal hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day before sleeping and after waking. Comb your hairs daily. Dress up neatly and keep your home tidy. Keep your toys back after playing. Finish your meal properly. Eat healthy food. What are the healthy foods? Eat vegetables. Eat fruits. Drink milk. Milk makes our bones strong. Take care of your siblings. Share your things with others because sharing is caring. Wash your hands many times with soap and water and do your homework in time. Now we have to revise the Islamic knowledge. Recite the dua before sleeping. Recite the dua before sleeping. Join your hand like this. Look down. Allahumma Bismika Amutu Wahya. तर्जुमा ऐ अल्लाह मैं तेरा नाम लेके मरता हूँ और जीता हूँ आमीन। ताऊ सुनाए औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतान रजीम। फिर से सुनाइए औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतान रजीम। तस्मीह सुनाए बिस्मिल्लाह Rahman Rahim. Now we have to revise the general knowledge. What is the name of capital city of Pakistan? Islamabad. The capital city of Pakistan is Islamabad. What is the name of the national flower of Pakistan? Jasmine. The national flower of Pakistan is jasmine. Clear, Prithvi? Now we have to do the reading of Oxford Reading Tree. Open the Oxford Reading Tree books. It's the floppy phonic books. Book 13. Open the book 13.
Today we are going to revise the digraph E. You know now what is digraphs? Digraphs is two letters that combine together to correspond to one sound. For example, the sound of C is K and the sound of H is H. So when the K and H combines, it makes the Ch sound. It's the Ch digraph. And another example is if what is the sound of S? And what is the sound of H? When S and H combines, it makes the sh sound. When there are two same letters, when it blends, it makes the one sound. Like double O makes the oo sound. Today we are going to revise the E digraph. There are two E, it makes the E sound. Now look at the picture. On the left side, have you seen the girl in the red dress? Her name is Anina. And E. There are two E. E, na. And E, na. Anina. She is clapping. It's her hands. She is clapping with her hands. It's her elbow. Look at the legs. Look at the legs of Anina. Now point out the knee and feet. E, knee. E, feet. Point out the knee and feet. Yes, it's her knee and it's her feet. On the right side, have you seen the man and the woman? Look at the right side. Have you seen the man and the woman? Look at the sleeves of the man and the woman. Sleeve of the man and woman. It's of yellow, orange and Green color. Have you seen the steel drum? Point out the steel drum. Point out the steel drum. How many steel drums are there in this picture? 1, 2, 3. Three. Now read the side words. Look at the left side. When two letters are there, when two same letters are there, it makes the one sound. Eel. Bee. Week. Week. Need. Tree. What other words can you find in the picture with the E sound in them? Yes, tell me. Cheek. 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 Teeth. Have you seen the teeth? Yes, they all are laughing. Yes, they all are laughing. Have you seen the teeth? Yes. Heel. Green dress. Where is the green dress? Good. Clear, Prithvi? Today we are going to learn about the concept of and. Why we should use and? You should use and or when both options are applicable in its place. The word and indicates connection or addition, especially of items. For example, television and a computer. Black and white. Best friend and my father. Door and the key. Fan and the lights. Marker and duster. Radio and a clock. Clear? You know now how we use and? It makes the connection and addition, especially of items. Now open your Oxford Modern English books, Primer A, page number 60. Look at the page. Now we have to read from the top. This is a pot and d. This is a pot and that is a tap. Tap. This is a pot and that is a tap. She used and. She's a woman. She used and between pot and a tap. She makes the connection between them that this is a pot and that is a tap. Now look at here. This is a yak and that is a zoo. Zoo. This is a yak and that is a zoo. Now look at that picture. This is a nail and that is a door. This is a nail and that is a door. This is a nail and that is a door. Now we have to read these words. Sing, king, ing, bring, fling, wing, add, glad, glass, eater, glitter, gloom, glue. Clear? Now open the page number 61. Page number 61.
Hope you understand the concept of and. You know why we use and? It's the connection of two things. For example, a marker and a duster. A black marker doll. What? Baby and a doll. Get the doll? Baby and doll. Now, a door and a key. A door and a key. Where is door? Or door. A door and a key. 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 Clear? What is this? Hen. A hen and a duck. Duck. Hen. And hen. And hen. A hen and a duck. And a duck. 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 A glass and a jug. Glass. 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 A glass and a jug. Jug. A glass and a jug. Clear? So why we use and? And is the combination of two things. And is the connection and combination of two things. Now you have to do the worksheet. Open the worksheet. You have to write the and between the pencil and the book. Like, what is this? Pencil. Write pencil. Book. Write a pencil and pencil. Pencil. And a book. And a book.